This is the Samsung 4041D tutorial. In this short tutorial, I will show you how easy it is to fix your backlight issue. Once you remove the back panel, you will notice a PC board with a little black box on the left there. What you need to do is focus in that area. Once you do, remove all the screws from the PC board and remove all the cables that are holding it down. That black box that you see is the actual controller for your backlight. Focusing on the area, when removing the PC board from that area, flip the board over and locate a pin that is cracked. Now that soldered pin that is fractured is disallowing the backlight from working. Once you get it resoldered, you'll see that your backlight will come back to life. So remember, make sure to take out the old solder and resolder it. If this helped, that's great, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.